Hey guys, it's She Loves Four Wheels. Today is a car photo shoot. Really excited to go do something like that. One of my friends offered to teach us how to take photos of our cars, which I could definitely use that knowledge. I need to detail Brody and detail myself. I need to go for a run. But yeah, let's do this. Done with the run, it went well. Gonna go shower because yikes. And then I'm gonna wash Brody. So all showered, now to wash Brody. Doesn't look like I have time to do the wheels, so they're gonna be bronze today instead of gold. I'm here at the photo shoot. They're getting my car lined up next to another Subaru. I'm fixing to back up here soon. It's like 6 cars here. Got some good footage. I mean, I'm getting footage, they're getting photos because I don't do the photography thing. But yeah, let's back up.
Privileged information. Right? So
Stum it down for us.
I'm bracketing my shots, which means that I'm taking multiple exposures of the same picture, and it allows you to gather more information with the camera. So if I take a photo in this light right here and the sun's making your hood turn bright white and your bumper is going to be the blackest of blacks in the photo, it's not a good photo. And so if you can take a photo that's a little bit darker and a little bit lighter, when you combine all those photos together, now when you try to reduce the sunlight in the photo, you get color back, as opposed to if you just darken white, it turns to gray instead of into the color that it once was.
Okay.
So.
And that's what you do with hard light photos? Like this, right now?
So a lot of people will say that hard light is basically us like under the sun right now, and the biggest problem we have is the sunspots. You can't really get rid of those unless you have some sort of fancy filters. So really what we're just trying to do right now is get rid of the fact that we have lots of sun. Because hard light typically involves having that sun glare on the car as well. So it's just kind of, these aren't ideal conditions for photos, but there are ways around it. Okay, so the photo shoot's done. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit the footage. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little bit that kind of gave you a little information on how to photograph in hard light. That's from my friend Drew. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, check it out. She Loves Four Wheels. Surprise. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later.